back to our channel.
Today we're off to Walmart to pick up some Easter supplies so we can make Easter bunnies.
Yay! First we need some pretty socks. Let's go.
So we're just trying to find some pretty socks and like the ankle ones. We don't want the ankle ones.
You don't want the ankle one, so you want the longer.
Because it's better.
So this is what they're looking for.
Yeah, like long socks.
Long socks.
I like these socks.
You like those socks?
Yeah.
How about that? I think that's a pretty one.
More like long socks at the bottom.
Look, this one, Mom.
I think there's more long socks at the bottom. Do you like these ones?
Yeah, I think they're real pretty.
I think they're just like,
Ari, do you like these?
do you like these?
Yeah.
You want to go with those?
Yes. Also, I like these ones.
Okay, but we need long socks, Ari.
Love long socks. Okay, so I
Oh,
guess we're
what about
getting-
this? Oh, here's a purple one.
Ooh.
What do you think? Oh, the longer ones are down here.
Yeah, I think the long ones are
What do you
the bottom.
think? Which one do y'all prefer? This
Which one
one
should we get? Pink or purple?
or these? What do y'all prefer? Ari likes pink. Pink it is.
Pink, 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 pink.
Okay, so I guess we're getting the pink.
Okay, so come on, throw it in your basket. Let's go. Okay, what's next on the list, Malia?
Rice.
Okay, we have to get some rice, so we're gonna have to head in that direction.
I see it. I see it.
Isn't that rice, Leah?
That's it.
Oh, right here. Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Okay, we found the rice. We're gonna go with this one.
Up next, we need elastics and ribbons. Come on.
Colorful elastic or just one?
Anyone y'all want to go with?
I like.
Something that's gonna look nice with y'all.
Like these ones or like these ones? These ones?
Let's have
But why not go with something that matches?
rainbow.
It's pretty.
Like the matches the socks.
Yeah, I think you should like a brown maybe.
I think I should get this one because it has pink in it. I like these because it has pink and it's pink on the socks.
Why don't we just get both? Okay.
Y'all better any, mini, miny, mo. Let's go.
Miny mo, catch a tiger by yourself. If you wanna let it go, any, mini, miny, mo. My mom said to pick the right one, and you are it. We're getting this one.
No, this one. We're off this with some markers next. Come on.
Because the markers are closer than the ribbons.
Yeah. Oh, we're off to find some ribbons.
Because there's none in this aisle, apparently.
Let's go. So we got everything. Now we're gonna go to the cash register. Come on.